In a world full of uncertainty and turmoil, it can be easy to feel lost and afraid. But there is one place where we can find true refuge and safety: in the arms of God. Psalm 91 is a powerful prayer for protection and deliverance. It is a declaration of trust in God's power and goodness, even in the midst of the darkest storms. This psalm begins with a bold statement: "He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." This verse captures the essence of the psalm, that those who trust in God are safe and secure under His wing. No matter what challenges we face, we can be confident that God is with us and will protect us. The psalm goes on to describe the many ways in which God protects His people. He delivers them from danger, heals their sicknesses, and answers their prayers. He also provides them with wisdom and guidance in difficult times. If you are facing difficulties in your life, pray Psalm 91 with faith and trust. Ask God to shelter you from the storms of life, to heal your sicknesses, and to deliver you from the evil plots of your enemies. He is a faithful God who will answer your prayers. Pray along with me this powerful Psalm 91. O God, my refuge and my fortress, in you I trust. You deliver me from the snare of the fowler and from the deadly pestilence. You cover me with your feathers, and under your wings I take refuge. Your truth is my shield and buckler. I will not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flies by day, nor of the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor of the destruction that lays waste at noonday. 1,000 may fall at my side, and 10,000 at my right hand, but it shall not come near me. Only with my eyes shall I see the reward of the wicked. Because you have made the Lord, who is my refuge, the Most High, your dwelling place, no evil shall befall me, no scourge shall come near my tent. For you will order your angels to guard me in all my ways. On their hands they will bear me up, so that I will not dash my foot against a stone. I will tread upon the lion and the adder, the young lion and the serpent, I will trample underfoot. Because he has set his love on me, therefore I will deliver him. I will protect him, because he knows my name. When he calls to me, I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will rescue him and honor him. With long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. As you pray this prayer, believe that God is listening and that He will answer your prayers. He is a faithful God who loves and cares for His people. Thank you for watching this video on the power of Psalm 91. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any prayer requests, please mention the names of your family members in the comment section below. I will pray for them personally. Call to action. Start praying Psalm 91 for yourself and your loved ones today. And if you know anyone who is struggling with any kind of difficulty, please share this video with them. Remember, Psalm 91 is a powerful weapon that can be used to defeat any enemy and overcome any obstacle.